So this quarter we are studying climate change, and our essential questions are: what are the causes, consequences and solutions of climate change, and how do our choices and actions affect the planet? The first experiment we did, we made a little model house, and our house was covered with a plastic window. We then set up two houses next to each other. One house had a curtain, a paper curtain over the window. One house did not have a curtain. We then shone a light onto these houses for 30 minutes. And we found the house without the curtain got hotter than the house with the curtain. The reason for this is that the light of the lamp can enter through the glass. Some of that light is absorbed inside the house, and it gets turned to heat, and the heat cannot get out of the window. Okay, so the change in temperature we saw for our model house is called the greenhouse effect, and the same thing happens with a greenhouse. So we get sunlight. The sunlight can go through the glass of the greenhouse. Some of that light is absorbed in the greenhouse, and absorption means that light is soaked up like a sponge, and that light that is soaked up like a sponge turns to heat, which is represented as the red lines. This heat cannot get out, it's trapped by the glass, and that's why even on a very cold, sunny day, it will be very, very hot inside a greenhouse. Light changes to heat, and the heat gets trapped. The next experiment that we did involved black paper and white paper. And we took two thermometers. We wrapped one with black paper and we wrapped one with white paper. So white paper there, black paper there. We shone a light on the two thermometers for 15 minutes. And we found that the thermometer with the black paper got much hotter than the thermometer with the white paper. And here's a picture to show why. When the light shines on a black piece of paper, the black paper absorbs like a sponge, absorbs the light, and it's turned to heat. When the light shines on a white piece of paper or a white surface such as snow, the light is reflected. So it's not absorbed, it doesn't turn to heat.